Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to improve your workflow in PowerPoint, and I will teach you how to add and modify sections in PowerPoint. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, let's say this is my presentation. As you can see, it is only 10 slides. Yeah, exactly. So why would you like to add sections in PowerPoint and how you can make it? So that's quite easy. As you can see right here in this window, we have our 10 slides, and you need just to right click somewhere here between those slides. So right click and just click add section. And as you can see, I can change name of this section. So let's say this will not be default section. I would like to rename it. So right click, rename, and let's say opening slide. All right, let's click rename. All right, and of course, as you can see in this section, in section opening slide, there is only one slide, but of course I can let's say this slide I would like also to be in this section. So you just need to click and just drop it right here. That's quite easy. All right, so yeah, the next thing is that you can collapse, hide and unhide those sections. So if you would like to hide this section, you just need to click here, collapse section, just click it, and as you can see, our section collapsed, and here in brackets there is digit 2 that indicates there are just 2 slides. All right, what else can you do? Yeah, of course here you have some more options, but it's really straightforward, so yeah, so I will not get into it. That's quite easy. If you would like to create a second actually the third section, just right click, add section. That's quite easy. And let's say maybe animated slides. Yeah, and this slide has animations, as you can see. So I will drop it right here. Only this slide and this slide have animations, so here I would also add new section, and I would just rename it to new section. Yeah, and actually this is quite easy topic. I think that's everything about adding sections in PowerPoint. Why would you like to add sections to your PowerPoint? Actually, if you have some bigger projects like above 50 slides, above 100 slides, then those sections can really help you organize your work. Yeah, and actually if you are creating a presentation for your client, it will be also quite professional if you add those sections. For instance, you add section for opening slide, for contact slide, etc, etc. Alright guys, so please let me know if you liked this quick tutorial. Just post a comment, yes or no. If no, just please tell me why. And I think that's all. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.